Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Java series. Now let's discuss about for each concept. Already we have seen the looping concepts like while loop, do while loop, for loop. What is the usage of loop? Loop is used to execute a block of code till the specified condition is met. Okay. For each is used to traverse the array or collection. Okay. And it is easier to use than the simple for loop because we don't need to increase or decrease the values. Moreover, we don't need the subscript notation. Okay. And for each works on elements basis, not the index basis. Okay. And for each returns the elements one by one in the defined variable. Got it? So now this is the example program. Here I have created the letters. What type is this? This is the char array. What type of array is this? This is the single dimensional array. Okay. And here I have initialized the values. A letter, B letter, X letter and C letter. Okay. So what is the size of the letters array variable? 4. Because we have only 4 elements. So the size of the array is 4 only. Here I have implemented the for each loop. Already we have discussed. For each loop is used to traverse the array. Okay. Letters is the array variable. Okay. And it returns the elements one by one in the defined variable. So inside this letters array variable we have 4 number of elements. Okay. This is the count variable. This variable data type is char because letters array variable also the char data type. So we have to give the same data type here. Is it clear? For the first iteration I value is A. Okay, inside the letters we have A is the first one, first element of the letters array. So that A will be stored inside the I variable and that value will be printed with the help of the println method. For the second iteration, the second element from the letters will be stored inside the I variable. That value will be printed on our console. Okay. And the third iteration, so from the letters, the X value will be stored inside the I variable. That value will be printed on our console. For the fourth iteration, the C value from the letters will be stored inside the I variable. That value will be printed on our console. Okay. For the fifth iteration, there is no elements inside the letters. So what happens? This loop will be terminated. So we will get A, B, X, C letters on our console. Okay. Now let me execute this one. A, B, X and C. We got this output. Okay. So letters, this is the array variable and I, this is the count variable. So for each method is used to traverse the array variable. Okay, so this for each method works on element basis, not the index basis. Okay, for each method returns the element one by one in the defined variable. Got it? We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message in the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.